Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Mutual fund investment are subject to market risk. Please read the offer document carefully before investing. I'm pretty confident that you might have heard about this particular notification several thousand times now. But what if I tell you that there are certain mutual funds which not only help you to get decent returns, but also help you to minimize your risk to a large extent. And these mutual funds are large cap mutual funds. And as the name suggests, large cap mutual funds, the returns that these particular mutual funds are giving are also very large in nature because they have given returns as big as 60%. Yes, I'm not kidding. I'll prove you with the table that we'll be discussing in this video that these mutual funds have been giving phenomenal returns, not just for the duration of 1 year, for the duration of 2 to 3 years as well. But before we get into the details, let's understand what are mutual funds in general. Well, mutual funds is a kind of an investment option which basically helps you to reduce your risk by investing in multiple avenues. For example, if at all I give you 1,000 rupees, so if at all you are a regular investor, you might go and buy probably shares of an X company for say 1,000 rupees. But now you are inviting a lot of risk for yourself because what if the company's share prices goes down? What if the prices from 1,000 rupees goes down to say 500 rupees? So you have lost almost 500 rupees of your money, almost half of your investment. But in case of a mutual fund, what really happens is that instead of putting all your money into one single place, they divide it into different kinds of option. They might probably put 200 rupees in a kind of an investment option. They might put 200 rupees in probably any other kind of an investment option. They might put another 200 rupees in say some secure options like gold or debt, and they might put another 200 rupees in maybe a government bond or something like that. So that basically the idea is even if one of your investment option goes down, you have at least another 4 investment options which will protect your portfolio. So like this, there are different kinds of mutual fund options that are available. There is something called small cap, there's something called mid cap, there's something called large cap. We'll talk about mid cap and small cap in some other video, but in this video, let's understand what are large cap mutual funds. Large cap mutual funds, as the name suggests, are basically mutual funds which invest in companies which are very large in nature in terms of the money that they make, in terms of the size that they have, and in terms of the avenues and in terms of the operations that they deal with. So large cap companies are basically companies whose market valuation, market capitalization is more than 20,000 crore rupees. Now, to give you a few examples, companies like Infosys, companies like Reliance, companies like HDFC Bank, these are all large cap companies. So mutual funds, which basically are large cap mutual funds, invest in companies like this. Almost 80% of the money that the mutual fund managers of large cap companies have, they invest in such companies and they invest it at the right time. They also take out the money when the market is not doing well and basically try and ensure that the money of the investors is protected and is secure. So while they're doing this, they are also ensuring that the investors are getting decent returns as well. And in this video, we'll have a look at top 6 such mutual fund companies which are basically large cap in nature, which have helped investors to get decent returns. And now that you've understood the basics of this, let's have a look at the table and let's understand which are these companies which are giving phenomenal returns in a span of 1 year and 3 years respectively. Along with that, we'll also talk about their CRISIL ratings and we'll discuss their names as well. So without further ado, let's get straight to the table. So if you notice the table, the number 1 bank over here is Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund, which basically has a CRISIL rating of first. And the returns that they have given in 1 year duration is 54.31%. For the duration of 3 years, the returns are 18.35%. Axis Blue Chip Fund, the returns over here are 39.96% for 1 year, and for 3 years, the returns is 18.44%. The CRISIL rating is also pretty decent, which is first rank. Talking about Kotak Blue Chip Fund, the returns over here is 56.44%. For 1 year duration, for 3 year duration, it is 13.45%. The CRISIL rating is also first rank. SBI Blue Chip Fund gives you a CRISIL rating of second rank, but the returns are quite decent, which is 59.83%, which is almost 60%. And for 3 year duration, the number is 13.22%. Fifth in the list is BNB Paribas Large Cap Fund, which is giving you a return of 49.38% for 1 year duration. For the duration of 3 years, the returns have been 15.02%, and the CRISIL rating is also second rank. Talking about the last in the list, it is Mirae Large Cap Fund, Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, which is giving you a return of 55.59% for 1 year duration, almost 60%. And for the duration of 3 years, the number is 14.40%. The CRISIL rating is also third rank. So this was the details of the companies which have been doing phenomenally well and which basically will be very, very fruitful for you as an investor to put your money into. But what if I tell you that instead of investing in some other company, instead of investing in some other's brand, why don't you build your own brand? why don't you start your own company? Why don't you start your own business? And even if you're interested into farming, why don't you start your own farming business? If at all you are curious to know how can you also become the next millionaire or the next billionaire by starting your own business, by working on your own brand, then you should definitely download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 65 plus courses which are available in 6 different languages, which will help you understand about career building, farming, business, and also about how to become a better investor. If you want to download this app, the link of this app is provided in the description box and also on the top comment. Don't forget to download this app, and also please give my name in the promo code, which is FAYAZ Fayaz, and you'll be able to claim a scholarship of rupees 2000 absolutely free. And let me know your thoughts about this particular video in the comment section, and if you have any questions, any feedbacks, any suggestions, you can leave them as well. And if at all you have any topic requests, you can leave them as well in the comment section, and we'll try and make a video on that particular topic as early as possible. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.